So I wanted to make a quick little video showing you guys how to use practice mode in the MOER core system, since we now have a few assignments past due. So way you can get there, I would navigate down to the block where they're located, but you can click in the calendar as well to see previously due assignments. I always like to go down to the block and navigate the course that way. So I'm going to go to section 2.2. And in here, I'm going to go to homework 2.2. Now, in this section, you'll see I do have the option to use a late pass if I wanted to do this for actual credit. Once you enter in practice mode, you cannot go back and use a late pass later. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click in. And you'll notice here it's giving me one last warning. Do I want to use a late pass to do it for credit, or do I want to go in as practice? So I'm going to go ahead and practice, and then it's making sure. Are you sure you want to do this? Because you can't use a late pass later. Yes, I am sure. I have my credit. So now I'm in the assignment, and you'll see it looks just like your normal homework. We have all access to all the questions, and what we can do here is we can answer. You can notice you'll have the answer keys right away, so you can use this to help study, make sure you're doing things right. Say f of -1, that would be 3. We can hit submit. There we are, and we can now go on to question 2. And anyway, long story short, let's not call it D. That'll be an interesting answer. Let's call this, let's see, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Submit questions. Oh, we got them all wrong. That's terrible. Okay, so then we could try again. We'd say this is what? Oh, maybe 7.5. 7.5, 7.5, and 7.5. Submit. Oh, shucks. We're doing not great. Anyway, because we end up with 37.5. That's okay. Long story short, we're now done. We can review our questions, see what was given to us, and then when we exit, if we go into our grade book and we look at our section 2.2 homework, you can now also see your different attempts. So you can see here was our scored attempt. This was what I actually did when I did the homework. I didn't do anything. And then you can see the practice attempts and what you typed in and what was marked right or wrong. And you can review. And it will keep all of your practice attempts, so if you do more of them, it will keep doing them. So I will show that now. So let me go back here. Let me go back into 2.2, and I'm going to say we're going to practice. And you'll notice we can try a similar question. So let's now make this 5, 5, 5, 5, submit. Now when I head back to the grade book, and I click into that 2.2 homework, and I'm looking at this practice attempt. Now you can see here are my different versions. There is my version 1, there is my version 2. So it keeps track of every entry into the system. Okay? All right, I hope this helps you study and helps you prepare for tests and quizzes. And if you have any questions, please let me know.